Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Educating Psyche. First 27 to 30 questions are to choose from multiple options. First question is, the book Educating Psyche is mainly concerned with. Answer is D. Ways of learning which are not traditional. Educating Psyche book mainly learning के उन तरीकों को बताती है जो traditional नहीं है. Educating Psyche by Bernie Neville is a book which looks at radical new approach. Next question is, Lozanov's theory claims that when we try to remember things, answer is A. Unimportant details are the easiest to recall. Lozanov's theory कहती है कि जब हम कुछ याद करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो जो unimportant details होती है वो आसानी से याद आ जाती है. Lozanov's instructional technique is based on the evidence that the connections made in the brain through unconscious processing, which he calls non-specific mental reactivity, are more durable than those made through conscious processing. Besides the laboratory evidence for this, we know from our experience that we often remember what we have perceived peripherally, long after we have forgotten what we set out to learn. Next question is, in this passage, the author uses the example of a book and a lecture to illustrate that. Answer is B. His theory about methods of learning is valid. इस पैसेज में ऑथर बुक का एग्जाम्पल और लेक्चर हमें ये बताने के लिए यूज करता है कि उसकी लर्निंग मेथड्स वाली थियरी वैलिड है. This phenomenon can be partly attributed to the common counterproductive approach to study, making extreme efforts to memorize, tensing muscles, inducing fatigue, but it also simply reflects the way the brain functions. Lozanov therefore made indirect instruction central to his teaching system. Next question is, Lozanov claims that teachers should train students to. Answer is C. Think about something other than the curriculum content. Lozanov क्लेम करते हैं कि टीचर्स को स्टूडेंट्स को करिकुलम कंटेंट के अलावा कुछ और सोचने के लिए कहना चाहिए. In Suggestopedia, as he called his method, consciousness is shifted away from the curriculum to focus on something peripheral. Next 31 to 36 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, in the example of suggestopedic teaching in the fourth paragraph, the only variable that changes is the music. Fourth paragraph में suggestopedic teaching के example में सिर्फ music variable को change किया गया है. The suggestopedic approach to foreign language learning provides a good illustration. In its most recent variant 1980, it consists of the reading of vocabulary and text while the class is listening to music. The first session is in two parts. In the first part, the music is classical, Mozart, Beethoven, Brahms, and the teacher reads the text slowly and solemnly, with attention to the dynamics of the music. The students follow the text in their books. This is followed by several minutes of silence. In the second part, they listen to Baroque music, Bach, Corelli, Handel, while the teacher reads the text in a normal speaking voice. During this time they have their books closed. तो आप पढ़ सकते हैं कि दोनों पार्ट्स में म्यूजिक वेरिएबल भी चेंज हुए थे और फर्स्ट पार्ट में स्टूडेंट्स की बुक्स ओपन थी, सेकंड पार्ट में बुक्स क्लोज थी. तो क्योंकि सिर्फ म्यूजिक नहीं बदला, इसलिए इसका आंसर फॉल्स होगा. Next question is, prior to the Suggestopedia class, students are made aware that the language experience will be demanding. Suggestopedia class से पहले स्टूडेंट्स को बताया जाता है कि लैंग्वेज एक्सपीरियंस चैलेंजिंग होगा. Beforehand, the students have been carefully prepared for the language learning experience. Through meeting with the staff and satisfied students, they develop the expectations that learning will be easy and pleasant and that they will successfully learn 100 words of the foreign language during the class. तो इस statement में बताया गया है कि they develop expectation, but question is saying they made aware. तो ये दोनों statements opposite है, इसलिए इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is, in the follow-up class, the teaching activities are similar to those used in conventional classes. Follow-up class में teaching activities वही थी जो conventional class में थी. Some hours after the two-part session, there is a follow-up class at which the students are stimulated to recall the material presented. Once again the approach is indirect, same approach थी, इसलिए answer true होगा. Next two questions are not given. Next to them is, students in a Suggestopedia class retain more new vocabulary than those in ordinary classes. Suggestopedia class में students ने ordinary class के comparison ज़्यादा new vocabulary को सीखा. Another difference from conventional teaching is the evidence that students can regularly learn 1000 new words of a foreign language during a suggestopedic session as well as grammar and idioms. Its answer is true. Next 37 to 40 questions are to complete the summary. Words are to be chosen from word box, therefore they can be synonyms. First, Suggestopedia uses a less direct method of suggestion than other techniques such as hypnosis. However, Lozanov admits that a certain amount of dash is necessary in order to convince students. Students को convince करने के लिए कुछ हद तक ये जरूरी है. Lozanov experimented with teaching by direct suggestion during sleep, hypnosis and trance states, but found such procedures unnecessary. Hypnosis, yoga, silver mind control, religious ceremonies and faith healing are all associated with successful suggestions, but none of their techniques seem to be essential to it. Such rituals may be seen as placebos, so its answer is rituals. Next question is even if this is just a dash, its answer is placebo. Already given in previous sentence. Next is, furthermore, if the method is to succeed, teachers must follow a set procedure. Although Lozanov's method has become quite dash, while Suggestopedia has gained some notoriety through success in the teaching of modern languages. Some notoriety मतलब थोड़ी बदनामी तो ज़्यादा क्या थी? Success. Its answer is well known. Next question is the results of most other teachers using this method have been dash. तो इसका result क्या था? Few teachers are able to emulate the spectacular results. तो question बात कर रहा है most teachers. तो इसका answer opposite हो जाएगा. मतलब इसका answer होगा unspectacular. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.